Want to welcome everyone, to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Big day. What a day. Monday, May the 2nd, 2011, 4 p.m. Eastern. What a day. What a day. Can you say Osama bin Laden? Oh, baby. Taken out to the woodshed, baby, and shot. Bye-bye. And obviously that's the big story of the day. S&Ps were up big. I would have thought they were up a lot more. I'm a little disappointed, actually, that the S&Ps were not up more, because then we really would have gotten a nice little reversal in the stock market. We really could have dug our teeth into, but it's still a nice reversal. Absolutely. Still like the reversal we had today in the stock market. And, given that fact, given the, you see the euro dollar reversal candle here hitting 49 triple top. Oh, yeah. I'm making the call, baby. We're going lower. And just because things have changed, just because there's uncertainty in the marketplace, I'm still not getting this. Damn it. And you look at the S&Ps. I'm trying to get the daily. Maybe a weekly will show up. And we got a nice reversal today. S&P's reversal over $6. VIX was up nicely. Silver down for its own reasons because of margin requirement changes. Wild opening last night in Asia. Down huge. I think silver might go to 42 first. I'm a bull on silver long term, but too crowded. We did have numbers come out last night. Bank holiday in China. But Australian house price index coming in much weaker than expected, down 1.7%. Japanese cash earnings down 0.4%, but again, those numbers really mean nothing. Still bank holiday in Switzerland, Europe, London. Swiss retail sales, a little bit of disappointment, but again, that's not the reason why the Swiss franc is going up. We had Eurozone manufacturing PMI coming in at 58. That's better than expected. We had basically PPI coming out of Canada surging 5.7%. Big number there. So, we take a look at this dollar index. I don't want to try and change it. I got the daily on this one. Let's see if I can slide it right in there. So, we have this dollar index, and while I'd love to be calling for a top, it doesn't look so bad. I think I'm reaching. But in looking at this Dixie, it's a nice little doji. Triple bottom, way oversold, 75 down to 73, which is a lot in the dollar index. And I just think we have more uncertainty in the marketplace. Market is ridiculously overbought. Ridiculously overbought. And I think we're due for a nice, counter-trend type rally. Something counter-trend. And certainly this capture leaving a lot of uncertainty as to possible terrorist attacks as a reprisal, revenge. And I think it's uncertainty about that. And again, the whole thing with Pakistan, I think what's amazing is that the Pakistanis, this base, this villa, wherever you want to say it is, 16-foot walls, was built in 2005. And it's 120 miles from Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan, I believe. Give me a break. It's also, I think, 100 meters from a major military base? So it's kind of weird. And the Pakistanis certainly have a lot to answer for. And even the Warren Buffett situation isn't that great for the market, too. So U.S. numbers are pretty good today. ISM manufacturing coming in at 60.4, 59.9 was the estimate. Prices 85.5, a little bit hotter. 83.3 was the estimate there. Construction spending at 1.4%, but the revision was a disgusting number, down 2.4. I believe it was down 1.4 last month. So net, we didn't gain anything on construction spending, but yes, the increase was better than expected. So We do have numbers coming out tonight. Market moving events. Abso-freaking-lutely. New Zealand labor costs coming out at 6:45 p.m. Eastern tonight. Early morning in New Zealand. We also have a rate decision out of Australia. That's at 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, people. I'm calling the top in the Aussie. Abso-freaking-lutely. That's it. Let's see if the S&P came up. Nope, still. I am making the call. That was a top in the Australian dollar. Let's see if I have to pull it up. Oh, baby. Come to Papa. Come on. Come on. I got a slow internet connection. This really sucks. There was something in the air that night. Well, you got the euro dollar here. Or frozen again, huh? Damn. Gotta somehow fix this connection. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there it is. Oh, baby. Can you say 110 top? Can you say 110 top? Look at that gorgeous reversal candle. I mean, come on. If you've been waiting, and listen, I have not been calling a top in this Aussie dollar, really, for the last 2 weeks. Each one didn't really look like a reversal, did it? Well, you know what? This one is it, and I don't even care if they raise rates. It's going down. This thing has gone from 97 to 110 in a moonshot. A month and a half in a straight line. We are due to come in minimum 108, 10 exponential. And I'll tell you, 107 even a possibility. Got a nice channel line here in the Aussie. 106, big breakout there. And you know they're going to bitch about the strength of the Canadian dollar, of the Australian dollar. You know they're going to complain. So that's a big event there. I'm looking to be long, short the Australian dollar across the board. So Euro Aussie, pound Aussie. I'm looking to be long. Enough is enough. And maybe they'll threaten intervention. You never know. I mean, 110, they were sort of bitching about it when it was 102. And then the Australian, the RBA came out and said, well, there are some benefits to having a strong currency. And that's pretty much why, in my opinion, the last month or so. But I think they're going to certainly complain about it and warn the marketplace about excessive moves in the marketplace because this is excessive. Come on. So that's a big event. We got manufacturing PMI coming out of London tonight. No more holiday there. The wedding's over. It's pretty nice, I have to say. Looked like a nice couple. Estimate is for 57. I would think numbers start to come in a little bit. Producer price out of Eurozone, those are going to explode. Up 0.7% is the estimate. Realized sales, CBI out of London, 6 a.m. Eastern, and the U.S. only real number, vehicle sales, if it's a big number one way or the other, but 13 million on vehicle sales. Factory orders out of the U.S. supposed to increase 1.9%. So we'll see. Bottom line is, Osama's dead. And it happened on Obama's watch. And they were drinking beers in the operation room, you know it. Loving life. I mean, if this isn't going to help him get reelected, I don't know what else will. So, unfortunately, if you are not for Obama, not the greatest thing. And let's just hope that there's not, again, some sort of these sleeper cells being reawoke because of his death. And I would imagine so. I think burying him at sea was great. Great, great, great move. Because then they cannot worship the shrine. It really helped make him not a martyr, hopefully. But again, look at this Aussie dollar. It looks like a nice reversal. 110 was a big spot, making the call. Blue Horseshoe loves this trade. Oh, baby. Euro dollar, triple top, love it. Oh, I can't believe it. I have the hiccups. That's just great. Well, I'm going to have to end this broadcast then because I'm not doing it with the hiccups. Again, looking at the Eurodollar chart, to me, triple top, I'm looking at 147 easy, maybe even below it. Sterling reversed nicely. Come on. Let's see if this came up. Nope, still didn't come up. You got to be kidding. Again, the S&P 500 reversing nicely. Oh, there we go. That's something. But look at that nice little head and shoulders reverse. That if you make it on a daily, filled in the gap and went lower. Come on. Come on. Why not? Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Let's go. And look at the Sterling daily chart. Took out previous day high. Couldn't get through 67.50 and now reversing. Should we take out 66.20? Look out below. Absolutely, baby. Euro Swiss, I like that much more now to the downside. Just because the stock market might be going down. People nervous about possible terrorist attack. And trust me, if there is a terrorist attack, people, you want to be long dollars. So if you believe there's going to be a terrorist attack, you want to be short the stock market and long dollars. Absolutely. And again, look at that dollar Swiss. Possible doji right here. Well, it is doji. But I want to bring up Euro Swiss. And you see here, nice reversal. I think we make a run for this nice little channel line here. 27.50, we take that out, and we break. And I think Euro Swiss is going to break. Making the call. Dollar Canada lost a little bit of money in it today. I like it to the upside. Again, I like dollars. U.S. good numbers, I guess. I don't know. I mean, again, it's due for a pop. But I think the euro in particular has a nice possible for a turnaround Tuesday tomorrow. Euro sterling might reverse. Euro Canada, hopefully it doesn't get through 141. Come on. Come on. No, let's look at that. I can only get the 5 minute, huh? But again, look at this dollar Canada. It would look terrible, but it held this whole 94.50. I think you got to buy on pullback. Oh, you're frozen. The stars were bright, Fernando. I can't get out of my head. I'm sorry. All right. New Zealand. Another one. I'm telling you, commodity currencies with a weak link today. Big time. Again, remember, people, if you have any questions about any aspect of my business, feel free to email me at info, at globalfxradio.com. You're missing out. If this market starts coming in, people, it's time to get back in the game and get back with premium. If this move happens, you're going to need me. If we break, I mean, it's ridiculous. Look at that move. Crazy. Top of the channel to you, though. Almost got there. I was really hoping it was going to get there today. Hey, listen, maybe the RBA delivers. I don't care. Sell on the news, even if it's up huge. I don't care. It's going to reverse tomorrow. Monsters, maybe Aussie's down big and it comes back. I don't know. But I do think, again, at the end of the day, stock market could be down nice tomorrow, maybe even on the open. Could we have a turnaround Tuesday to the upside? Sure. But I think the futures will be down tonight. I think the market reversed. Couldn't hold up. A lot of people are going to be nervous that the market possibly reversed. And you look at that dollar index too. Not there. You look at that dollar index also. And it looks like a nice reversal. Doji, triple bottom, whatever you want to call it. Looks good to me. All right, team. I'll see you back at almost 5. 4:45, 5 o'clock. I'll twit. Anything new. Later. So frozen. I'll tell you this internet connection. Terrible where I am. Terrible. But you look at this dollar index. Nice little doji. Tried to rally. Took out previous day high. Held previous day low. Due for a big bounce. I mean, look how oversold we are. The whole year. We are due for a monster move. 74.50. It'll look big, but it really isn't that much. So, again, Australian rate decisions sell in the news. Hopefully we're up nice going into it. I think they're going to talk tough, hawkish about their currency, not necessarily about rates. So, again, if you have any questions about that trade, email me, info@globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need who truly loves to make you money. Have a good night.